Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, Paper Sweets. It's Sophia. Thank you so much for joining me today. Hope you're having a great day. Today I'll be sharing the new stamps and dies from Coco Reno for the month of July. And I'll share the stamps first. There's two different sets and they're called Sweet Home. This one here, really cute. It comes with a lot of different little house plants and a couple, I think these are terrariums, and the little globes and the light bulb. And then a little string of lights there. So cute. And then this is a different set, but the bag broke, so I just put it in the same packaging. So this one has a couple of window stamps there, and then these little plants on a ledge, and then these other little plants that are like hanging plants. So really cute, fun little stamps. And then we have the window cutting dies. So I'll share those. You get 6 different designs. These cute little windows. That one has shutters, and this one does too. Move that out of the way. It's glaring. So, and then this one's really pretty. And this one kind of reminds me of like a window in a church that would have like stained glass or something. And this one, I don't know, looks like Moroccan or something to me. And this one here. So really cute window dies, and then you get 2 little house plants. So cute little set this month. And I created 2 cards, and I used 2 different Coco Reno die sets. So I did use the window die set here, with the one with the shutters, and here's the little plant. I just paper pieced it, cut it out twice, and then I also used the Sunny Days stamps from Coco Reno from a while back. I wanted it to look like a little beach cottage or beach house. Since it is still summer, I'm still feeling like, you know, summer cards, summer crafts. So that's a really cute set too, and it just worked out, you know, size-wise. So I added a little lemonade here, drink with an umbrella, and added, I don't know if you can see it, but I added a little clear glitter to make it look like it's like there's ice in there. And this is a little floaty and a little hat, little summer hat. And I did add some vellum in between the card layer and the pattern paper to make it look like, you know, a window. You can see through it, but it's not clear. I like the look of the vellum. And then on the back, just to make it look, you know, clean, I just cut that window out again, and I cut off the shutters like it would look on the inside. And then I added a couple little, what are they? Little swimming fins from the Sunny Days. So that's the first card, the first little beach house scene. And here's the second one, very similar. I just changed out and used this window here that also has the shutters. And I did do stitching on both of the cards here. On the side, it's white thread, so it doesn't show up too well on the video. And I did the same thing with the vellum. I just really like how that looks. And here's the other little plant in the set, so cute. And these are also from the Sunny Days, the little lounging chair and a beach ball. And I didn't add anything to the front, but did the same thing with the window, just cut off the shutters and added it to the inside to make it look finished. So those are my 2 summery little beach house, beach cottage cards. So yeah, let me know what you guys think. I'm sorry guys, I do love to read your comments, and I don't know why I have to keep going back and turning the comments on, because they get turned off automatically, and I don't get it. But if you have a chance, leave me a comment. I do love to read your comments, and thank you so much for stopping by, and have fun crafting. See you in the next video. Bye guys.